Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we are discussing the IR-1 visa or the CR-1 visa, and we're specifically discussing this in the context of a spouse of an American citizen or a lawful permanent resident. And we're bringing this up in the context of the police clearance. For those who are unaware, a police clearance is generally issued and needs to be presented before an applicant for an IR-1 or a CR-1 visa will be granted their visa after visa interview. And the thing to understand is Thai embassies and consulates, the visa units at Thai embassies and consulates around the world are currently not doing interviews, or at least all of the embassies and consulates that I'm aware of as of the time of this video. Now, some may start reopening as time passes, but that remains to be seen, and we'll certainly update folks on this channel as that occurs. But understand, for this video, we're talking about police clearances, and specifically we're talking about those police clearances' validity sort of going out of date. In a sense, when a police clearance is issued, it can go stale. So as time goes on, that specific police clearance will start to have its validity erode, if you will. It's kind of like, think of a ticking clock. The minute a police clearance is issued, a clock is ticking, and it can go stale if it is not presented to the adjudicating consular officer at a visa interview in a timely manner. This COVID-19 situation has created an unprecedented state of affairs at various visa units around the world, wherein interviews were just halted. Nobody was processing anything through, and what we started seeing was the interviews, because they were canceled, folks who had an interview date, they probably had all their documentation, their medical exams, their police clearances, everything, and therefore they were ready to go, but then the interview was canceled, or they might have been close to getting an interview date and had all their documentation, but had yet to actually get a date set, and we saw this come down and things close up. What happens to those folks' police clearance? Well, it may go invalid, and it may necessitate getting a new police clearance certificate issued. There may be other protocols depending on the embassy or consulate involved. It may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional in order to gain some insight and guidance in how best to deal with this police clearance issue hopefully while this lockdown starts to ease, and hopefully while we see these immigrant and non-immigrant visa units begin reopening and start doing interviews as normal.